who brought Champaran to Gandhiji's notice, Rajkumar Shukla. Then is Louis Fisher, the writer of the book The Life of Mahatma. And lastly, we have Rajendra Prasad, a prominent lawyer at the time who further became the president of the Constituent Assembly. Ground. He told me, I will tell you how it happened that I decided to urge the departure of the British. It was in 1917.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय.
He had gone to the December 1916 annual convention of the Indian National Congress Party in Lucknow. During the proceedings, a peasant came up to him. He said, I am Rajkumar Shukla. I am from Champaran and I want you to come to our district. Gandhiji had never even heard of the place. He told Shukla he had an appointment in Kanpur and was also committed to go to other parts of India. Fix a date, he begged. After giving some thought to it, Gandhiji said, I have to be in Calcutta on such and such date. Come, meet me and take me from there.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
The peasant waited till Gandhiji was free. Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Calcutta when Gandhiji arrived. From there, Shukla took him to Patna.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम.
In Patna, Gandhiji was led to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad by Shukla. Prasad was out of town, but the servants knew Shukla as a poor peasant who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the grounds with his companion Gandhiji, whom they took to be another peasant. Gandhiji first decided to go to Muzaffarpur to obtain more complete information about the conditions than Shukla was capable of imparting. He sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kriplani of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur. He stayed there for 2 days in the home of Professor Malkani. The news of Gandhiji's mission spread quickly through Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. Farmers from Champaran began arriving on foot and by conveyance to see their leader.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की की जय, वंदे मातरम।
Muzaffar lawyers called on Gandhiji to brief him and to tell him about the cases. After listening to the lawyers, Gandhiji said, I have come to the conclusion that we should stop going to law courts. Taking such cases to the courts does little good. Where the peasants are so crushed and fear-stricken, law courts are useless. The real relief for them is to be free from fear. Gandhiji then began to get the facts.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम।
He first visited the secretary of the British Landlords Association. The secretary told him that they could give no information to an outsider. Gandhiji answered that he was no outsider. Next, Gandhiji called on the British official commissioner of the Champaran district. The commissioner proceeded to bully him and advised him to leave Champaran. Even after the threats, Gandhiji did not leave. He proceeded to Motihari with several other lawyers. A report came in. A peasant told Gandhiji that some other peasant had been ill-treated in a nearby village. Gandhiji decided to go and see. He had not proceeded far when the police superintendent's messenger served him with an official notice to quit Champaran immediately. Gandhiji signed a receipt for the notice that said that he would disobey the order. In consequence, Gandhiji received a summon to appear in court the next day. All night, Gandhiji remained awake. He telegraphed Rajendra Prasad, sent instructions to his ashram, and wired a full report to the Viceroy. Morning found the town of Motihari flowing with peasants.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय,
वंदे मातरम, भारत मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय।
They had heard that a Mahatma who wanted to help them was in trouble with the authorities. The government was baffled. The officials felt powerless without Gandhiji's cooperation. The prosecutors requested the judge to postpone the trial. But Gandhiji, he protested against the delay. He read a statement pleading guilty. But at last, he was released without bail. The Lieutenant Governor appointed an official commission of inquiry into the sharecropper situation. The inquiry assembled a crushing amount of evidence on the big planters. The representative of the planters offered to refund to an extent of 25%. This settlement was adopted unanimously by the Commission. Within a few years, British planters abandoned their estates, which reverted to the peasants. Indigo sharecropping disappeared.
महात्मा गांधी की जय, 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 महात्मा गांधी की जय.
Champaran did not begin as an act of defiance. It grew out of an attempt to alleviate the distress of large numbers of poor peasants. This was the typical Gandhi pattern. His politics were intertwined with the practical, day-to-day problems of the millions. His was not a loyalty to abstractions. It was a loyalty to human beings. In everything Gandhiji did, he tried to mold a new free Indian who could stand on his own feet and thus make India free. Thank you.
भारत भारत इस नाम में एक जादू सा मुझको लगता है. उमंग, प्रगति और सुनहरा आसमान जहां बसता है. इंडिया भी भारत है, ये हर कोई मुझे समझाता है. इंडिया तो मेरी जान है, लेकिन इंडिया से ज्यादा भारत अपनापन जताता है. मॉडर्नाइजेशन के नाम पर अपनी संस्कृति से हो रहे थे हम जुदा. आंखों से पट्टी हटी, हकीकत का अब लग चुका है पता. देखो कैसे मेरा इंडिया अब भारत बन रहा है. राजनीति, विज्ञान में फिर चाणक्य ही परचम फहरा रहा. देखो कैसे इंडिया फिर भारत बन रहा. स्त्रियों ने कई परेशानियां और शोषण की पीड़ा है सही, पर इस बार सीता जी स्वयं है लक्ष्मण रेखा खींच रही. इस भारत में द्रौपदी भी अलग रूप में दिख रही. स्वयं कृष्ण बनकर वे अपने सम्मान को है जीत रही. वे कहते हैं कि तंत्र ज्ञान में भारत पीछे दिखता है. वे कहते हैं कि तंत्र ज्ञान में भारत पीछे दिखता है. जरा सुन लो ऐसा कहने वालों, नासा में सबसे ज्यादा भारतीय ही दिखते हैं. आयुर्वेद और योगा का महत्व इंडिया वापस लौट कर आया है. देखो कैसे इंडिया फिर भारत बन रहा है. जिन्होंने संस्कृत को डेड लैंग्वेज कह के टाल दिया, आज उन्होंने ही अपने अभ्यास कर्मों में उसको वापस लाकर डाल दिया. मेरा इंडिया भारत धीरे ही सही पर जरूर बनेगा. फिर चीन क्या, पाकिस्तान क्या, वे तो विश्व का परचम चढ़ेगा. बड़े देशों से हाथ मिलाया, छोटे देशों का हाथ बटाया. देखो कैसे मेरे भारत ने अपने तिरंगे का मान बढ़ाया. बातें तो बहुत कर ली अब हमने, अब हमें एक प्रण लेना है. इंडिया को फिर से वही भारत, वही सोने की चिड़िया बनाना है. वही सोने की चिड़िया, वही भारत बनाना है, वही भारत बनाना है. थैंक यू फॉर पेशेंट हियरिंग.
वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन आबाद रहे तू, आबाद रहे मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुंचूं मैं जहां भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहां रहूं जहां मैं याद रहे तू। है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
A very warm good morning. Yesterday, when we were deciding where we would be having the program, most of the staff, they were worried that how the children would be sitting outside. But you know, when a mission is perfect and the dream is wide, we have the Almighty always blessing us. So we didn't have the sun since the last 3 days, but today it is definitely warmer than the previous days which passed, which again works on the unity, the strength of all the elements, the 5 elements in nature, that is Kshitijal, Pavak, Pavan, Samira. So this is what we learn on national festivals, either the 26th of January or the 15th of August. We do learn not only about the great leaders, not only about our constitution, not only about the unity of our country, we also learn that we are one. Our duties, if they are done with proper guidance and support, then the nation finally prospers. So today, as we were doing the unfurling of the national flag, I was very happy and proud to have 2 children while we were doing that ceremony, because that ceremony actually brings that vigor, the fervor of patriotism in each Indian, be it a child, be it an adult above 18 years old, or be it a senior citizen who is 60 plus. That ceremony has an aura. That ceremony has a divine presence in the campus, wherever, whichever organization or institution does it. I had informed earlier also, but I would like to repeat because many new students and new teachers have joined. I was explaining even to our admin staff that any of the students who were there earlier, can you tell me what's the difference of hoisting the flag and unfurling it? Any of the students? I had referred to it, I think, in my second Independence Day of this campus itself. Anybody of the previous batches? 2016, we had many students who are still here with us. They are in class 12 or maybe in 10, whichever year they joined, whichever class they joined. So do you remember what's the difference between the hoisting. Yes, Amit? Hurry up, hurry up. You said it right, but the terminology was little misplaced. But very good. Loud clap for the previous head boy of the school, Amit. Thank you so much. So on Republic Day, we unfurl the national flag. We don't hoist it. Mimansha, please remember, on Republic Day, we unfurl the national flag. Means the national flag is at the tip of the pole. We just pull it to say that we are Indians. On 15th August, we hoist the national flag. The national flag is on the rope down. We pull it up to the pole and we put a pull so that the flag is hoisted. So please remember, on Republic Day, we need to unfurl. Unfurl means open. And on 15th August, we hoist the national flag. Now these are very common things which we should know, because the poem that Harshita recited, a unique poem, a loud clap for that, because she made us feel, she made us realize that she is the head girl, one. Second, that she is one Indian who feels the pain of, the Bharat changing to India, and who feels the glee of India going back to the steps of Bharat. So that's something which we must realize on national festivals, that glee, that enjoyment, that enthusiasm of being true Indians. And like earlier, we kept saying that the pandemic was a threat, was a risk, but it did teach us many values. It did bring the family in one place. It taught us the old forgotten traditions, which were opening your shoes and slippers outside your homes, washing your hands regularly, being very hygienic in your approach. These were things Indians were forgetting. Yoga was a very forgotten thing. It was practiced in America, but in India, where the origin was, it was lost. But now, again, that yoga is back. Sanskrit is back. So these are things which we did realize during this pandemic, because we had time to think. A crisis is never a challenge of defeat. A crisis is a moment of thought. And that thought makes us realize that we are specially blessed by the Almighty. We have not extracted our utmost potential. We need to extract that, then only we will prosper in life. The program was an organization of very few teachers, and because all were busy with the offline and online classes, and it was a program with an outcome. Some of the parents are sitting, some have already left. It was an outcome of only 2 days of preparation, and that too maybe 2 hours one day and 1 hour the other day. So this was a very, very commendable job by all the teachers who put up a great show. So thank you, teachers, and thank you, my dear students. The choir was perfect. The band was perfect. Anshika, Diksha, Sachi, Harshita were perfect. Mimansha, as you have seen her as an iGrasp news reader. We have a new venture of candid expression in the school. Through that, we built the confidence, and now we have our children on the global platform, that is iGrasp. That is a news capsule which is a global platform, and we are proud to say that many of our students have captured the screen there. We have Mimansha, we have Pratishtha, we have Aditi Singh, and we have some more from class 7 whose bites would be shared with us. As they are shared in the groups, and please go through the whole video because iGrasp is a very knowledgeable news capsule for children. In short, very lively, very beautifully, they give the world on one platform. So that is your pride also to see your own school child's name there. The name of the child is important, the name of the campus is also very important. And I am very proud to see that ours is the only school in UP. We have from NCR, we have from Mumbai, we have from even Indore, but in UP, our children are doing the job first time. So loud clap for these iGraspers too. Yesterday, class 12 has also started a Guru Dakshina series. This is an initiative from class 12, which they would be putting in, we would be sharing. Today we shared 2 videos for the Guru Dakshina because soon they would be leaving. We would be giving a farewell to them, and the years they have shared at Jaipuria from 2016. Some of the students are there from 2016 till date, and they are now paying their tributes to the teacher, to the alma mater. Alma mater means the school which groomed you, the school where you got your education. So they would be paying that tribute in forms of videos or slideshows. We would be sharing in the groups. You can see how each child has felt for the gurus, the teachers, the educational architects in their lives. So today we have 2 videos. Kaushik sir, I think, has shared in the groups in the morning. So when you return home, you can watch that. Now, Indigo was a role play which was performed. I would thank the teachers, Nida ma'am and Rita ma'am, for the efforts they put in that. There was a dual purpose of showing Indigo. One was for class 11th and 12th, knowing the chapter which is part of their syllabus. Class 12th will be facing the exam. Indigo is one chapter which is going to be very important for the CBSE exam this year, because last year there was no question, and the question also we know which will be important, that why Rajkumar Shukla is called resolute. Why is he so determined peasant? So this is to show you, you will, if you forget even some parts, the whole episode was drawn out in front of you so that you remember how he went to Kanpur, how he went to Lucknow. In Calcutta, Rajkumar Shukla met him, and how he was brought to the Champaran district where the indigo planters were having the problems. And class 11, it will be easier for you when you do it in class 12. The other purpose, obviously, was paying our homage to the father of the nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi. There was one line in that which spoke about Gandhiji's loyalty. Anyone remembers? Gandhiji did not have, Sanskriti did a good job of narration. Gandhiji did not have, Sanskriti, do you remember the lines? He did not have loyalty to, he was not loyal to abstractions, he was loyal to human beings. So that is what we want. We don't want to be, pseudo followers. Whatever we do, it should be genuine. You don't want to obey a rule. Your disobedience should also not be pseudo. Don't copy anybody. Don't imitate that someone did that, so I will also do this. It should be genuine. You should be able to explain why you don't want to do this. Then only you would be paying your tribute to your great leaders and to your nation. Now, before I close, I would request VP sir also to throw light on the program and about the session, which has been a crisis situation, but definitely not a defeated challenge. And before we close, we would request all of you, we started with the singing of the national anthem and we'll end with the singing of the most common song all over the world. Which is the most common song? Highest sung. Which song? Which song is sung throughout the world most commonly, most of the times, maximum? Yes, happy birthday song. And whose birthday it is? It is Saifi ma'am's birthday. So we'll sing the happy birthday song for Saifi ma'am before I call VP sir and before we give over the medals and the certificates that some of them we have for our portfolio holders, and we have a miraculous performance by Sanav. Sanav is here, so we'll give him the certificate. I think we'll give you the certificate first. Come Sanav, run. For the International Maths Olympiad, he is the city ranker first, zonal ranker second, international ranker second. Loud clap. International Mathematics Olympiad. He gets a silver medal, he gets a certificate, and he gets a cash award also. I think they knew it that he will get it on a national holiday. Yes, it's saffron, white and green. It should be louder. Youngest participant today. So, we should sing the birthday song. Or VP sir, please, VP sir, please your words of inspiration, and then we can have the birthday song before we close for the day.
Namaste Bharat. I think that should be the perfect word at this time. That instead of good morning, we should say Namaste Bharat now. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Principal Ma'am for giving me the opportunity so that I can say a few words to you. So, let us talk about first of all the program. It was a very good program that was conducted over here. And within a few days, it was excellent, I can say. The speeches, the skit, everything was very good. The parade was good. The band was good. Dance performance was good. Everything is perfect, I can say. So, as ma'am was saying about the Indigo program, the explanation of the chapter, I can refer with that with one of the latest thing which has been introduced by the CBSE. It's related to the art integration. It's a perfect way of explaining any chapter. I think that can be implemented in every class, that how we can well explain the particular chapter with the help of this skate type. And I would like to congratulate Sanam also for scoring such a high position in the Olympiad all over the country, in the state and in the school as well. So as we are, all over the world. And as we are celebrating this 72nd Republic Day, as it was already explained by Harshita, I guess, 11th Humanities, one speech she has given, that how to bring back our India, that golden heritage, to be called once again as that Sone ki Chidiya. So how we are going to get it? So by doing the right things, by restoring all those rich heritage which the India is having, and performing, and by the culture that we are having, by keeping those values that has been taught by our seniors, by our elders, by our parents, by our school, we should maintain that. As you all are the future ambassador of our school, those who are going to explain all these cultural values to all over the world that has been inculcated among you. So I believe that everybody is going to fulfill that and will make us proud that not whatever the things that we have taught you, that you are going to replicate that outside the world. And as we have gone through with that COVID time, so this COVID has already explained, ma'am has already explained this thing, that those values has already been brought back, and we have more closer to our family rather than those times when we are playing outside every time. Students' point of view, we are playing outside every time, and we are spending the time on the TV or a mobile. It has become more closer to our family. For all our seniors also, it has been taught that how well we can have a good relation with our family by spending more time with them. So definitely this classes, the online classes, have also given us a good platform that how the teacher can be present to you every time, 24/7. Now we are open to you. Not only in the school, that after school you are searching for the other person. We can have this interaction online also for everything. So with this note, I would like to end with this. Happy Republic Day once again.
Yes, thank you, sir. I would request all of you to sing and join the teachers group. Now the teachers choir will sing the birthday song.
Thank you, Principal Ma'am, VP Sir, dear teachers, friends, and all my lovely children. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's an honor. I'd like to take 2 minutes, and it's a great privilege to be born in this great land called India. And from the bottom of my heart, it is a grace of God that I share my birthday on 26th of January. And so I would like to first of all congratulate and wish respected principal ma'am, VP sir, my dear friends whom I call them as teachers, rather I would say the other way, my teachers whom I call my friends, and my loving children, a very, very beautiful, encouraging, blessed 72nd Republic Day. Before I speak on the Republic, I would like, ma'am, with your permission, I would like to be a little disobedient, because when you said that word, I said I'm going to catch ma'am on this. I'm going to be a little disobedient. I would like to call upon my kids when I was the class teacher of class 8. I would like to call Arundhati, the spell bee queen, Ayush, all those, I'm sure the 12 are not there.
2016 children who are there. Aman is there, I can see. Ayush,
Can you
the
please
class
come up
teacher,
on stage?
Arundhati, Ayush Mishra, Aman. Harshita is there.
Hema.
The 2016 Hemant. 2016 Ayush,
Yes.
how many else are there?
Come, beta. Line up here. Come, running.
This was the first batch which ma'am had taught.
Come this side.
Aditi is there, yes.
Anybody else who I was there as a class teacher in class
There were
8?
only 11, ma'am. 12, I think some have not come today and some have left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with you today. Again 5. Okay.
I would really want that my kids should come in the camera. Please come in front. Last night, ma'am, when I opened my WhatsApp, so I was actually very speechless when, because the birthday is something very special to any human being, because that's a time when you introspect and think that what is the purpose of your life on this earth. And to be very honest, on a day before I was a little puzzled, and I was asking, Lord, there are many certain goals, children, that we make in life, and one by one we accomplish. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we moving forward. But when I saw the Guru Dakshina, I think that was the best gift, one of the best gifts that I ever received as a teacher. I know I'm not worthy, but it was these ones who taught me to be that teacher. I came in this profession thinking that I would earn some money. I came as a professional, but they taught me to be a teacher. I am still learning, ma'am, but I know that it's not easy to be a teacher, to understand these beautiful minds that would take this great nation to another level. And I was thinking that one line that I would definitely would talk about my kids here, that since 2016 till date, they have made us proud. They have made us proud. When I go back 4 years back, because they started with Guru Dakshina, I would also not step back in giving them what in my words, and definitely the blessings that I can share with my words upon them. Because since 2016 till date, because they performed, and that is why St. M.R. Jaipuria Gold Campus exists and is known in the entire city. The championships, the trophies, the competitions, the skits, the debates, the speeches, the cricket, yeah, and then of course the naughtiness as well.
And their pizza party, ma'am. They remember their pizza party with you.
So it was such an honor. You make us teachers. You make us introspect. Are we doing justice to this job or not? So God bless you all. Ma'am, I actually felt when I left my daughter first time in the school, my heart was beating. And when I think this is for the last time they're sharing my birthday on this platform, because next 2022, they will be in their colleges. And I bet you, ma'am, that they will be talking on the stage, all 5 of them. And when I was in their colleges, not at school level, and when I always say, ma'am, I feel as if I'm letting my children go into the world, and there will be challenges, there will be so many things, but I bet you on this, आप जीवन में कभी ठोकर नहीं खाएंगे यदि आप अपने माता पिता का और अपने गुरुजनों का आदर करेंगे. This is my personal experience. This is the experience of everybody who has been really, really successful in this great land. Last line, अंतिम line कह के मैं खत्म करना चाहूँगी. There were many sacrifices that has been paid to bought this nation from the clutches of slavery. बहुत आंसू बहाए गए हैं, शहादत दी गई है इस महान भारत देश को गुलामी से निकालने के लिए. सो एक लाइन है एक मूवी का, हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के. We would go one day from this earth, but we are investing in you, the talents, the education, the development, that everything possible we can do as teachers. So when you grow up, take up positions as scientists, doctors, teachers, wherever the Lord will take you, make sure that you make this country, you owe to this great nation, and we ensure somewhere from heaven we will definitely be saying Arundhati Pathak, Ayush Mishra, Aditi Yadav, Aman Shugla, Himant Singh, and definitely to all the children who are sitting here, making proud our principal, our teachers, our school name higher and higher. God bless you all. Ma'am, thank you so much for giving us this beautiful opportunity. I am overwhelmed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Safi ma'am. Thank you, dear students. These episodes also make us think, ma'am had tears in her eyes and she also forced me to have some. We get emotional on these moments because they are moments of ecstasy, they are joys which we can't hold. And it's not that some may feel why a particular day, a particular teacher has been called up. Sometimes when I was a teacher also, nobody likes when there is a comparison and someone is called out specially. So I'll tell you from my internal feelings that in such moments you must feel the authenticity of the day. Now it's a coincidence that ma'am's birthday falls on such a day when the whole nation is celebrating it. That's one thing. Second thing is the association of 2016, which ma'am pulled out from her bag and she threw it in front of you. That is those years when the school was starting from scratch and today whatever it has achieved. So thank you, dear students, for being that shine, that excellence for which your school is known for, and the team of the teachers, the educational architects who have framed, molded, defined and placed the school at this pedestal. So once again, a very, very happy Republic Day, and we will close with the sweet distributions. I think have already been done. So if Mimansha you have some words, or it's finished? Okay, so Mimansha wants to end. So before that, ma'am, the certificates. So some of the students of the student council are missing, so we will give the ones who are present today. Head girl Harshita. Sports captain boy Hiten. the school prefect Rudransh, the school vice prefect Aditya Singh, Game Changers captain, the father of our nation, Ayush Soni. He was in the role of the father of the nation today. Prefect Game Changers, Tej Raj. Your clap can be louder, it will keep you warm. The captain of Go Getters, Sachi Singh. Go Getters vice captain Osman. Go Getters prefect Aryan Srivastav. God bless you. The captain of Trailblazers, Anshika. Vice captain of Trailblazers, Mimansha. Captain of Wave Riders, Sanskriti. Vice Captain Wave Riders, Gitanjali. Prefect Wave Riders, Farah. So congratulations to the Student Council final. Prefect Trailblazers, Shubhi Soni. No, sports captain role is Priyanshi. She absent. So, once again, congratulations to the portfolio holders. On these days, you realize your duties. Harshita has already shown it. Hiten has also shown it. And we have seen Mimansha also as a good model, an ideal speaker. Osman keeps sharing his attributes for us to see. Sachi was wonderful in her speech. So most of them already have shown that they have the worth of holding these positions. Now Sanskriti, another new name in the campus, which is bringing us great pride and fame. So if I have missed some, it's not deliberate. Please don't think that some names are not called out. It's because, you know, some of them maybe today have shown their worth and you are still there in our minds, and you would also be acclaimed for what you are doing in the campus, outside it, for the nation, for the home. So we have one UKG child here. LKG, okay, Ryan. Okay, Ryan has come himself, volunteered for this national celebration. So, for singing a song, so you will clap very loudly. See the confidence of the child. You all please move down so that the whole crowd can see. So this is Hamara Bharat. Harshita, this is the Bharat. This is the Bharat that we talk about. This is the confidence we speak of, and this is the true India. Start, right? He's an LKG kid, so your claps should echo. The campus should know that such a small child has also the confidence and the potential. Start.
अन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देर का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। रास्ते में चलूंगा नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देर का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। रास्ते में चलूंगा न जाने कहीं के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मरे मरे के। मंजिल से पहले ना लूंगा कहीं दम, आगे आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाएं थम, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देर का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। नया जमाना मेरी नई है दरकार, देश को बनाऊंगा मशीनों का नगर। भारत किसी से न रहेगा कम, आगे आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम। दाहिने बाएं थम, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। बढ़ाओ के दिन Happy Republic Day.
So that was an LKG kid. One more loud clap for. So LKG will now with him Ryan. He is the the kind of capture that he takes on the screen on LKG videos. If you get a chance, you must see LKG videos. Most of the section videos are from him because of the confidence that he has, and he has proved it, and he has changed LKG, and he is the learning kid of Goel campus, LKG. Yes, the learning kid of Goel campus. He learns very fast, he grabs very fast, he grasping of his is so great that we are forced, to send messages to the parents also. So that's why you see the involvement that today pre-primary was not called at all. But he did walk into the campus. That's because he is always learning. So thank you once again, Mimansha, with the closing words before we move.
Freedom in the mind, strength in the words, pureness in the blood, pride in our souls,
zeal in our heart. Let's salute our India, not just on Republic Day, but every morning. What a day it was! Republic Day could not have been spent better. On this auspicious occasion, we all gathered and enjoyed our hearts out. Thank you for being here. A huge round of applause for all. With this, we end the day here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Students, those who are having bag